Good day, this is Nathaniel Abris, and today I'm gonna teach you how to set up your accounts in edmodo.com. These are the things we need to consider. First, we need an active Gmail accounts. For DepEd teachers, we will use our DepEd Gmail accounts for us to sign up in edmodo.com. And the second one is I highly recommend to use Google Chrome as the browser for accessing edmodo.com. So let's start. Open Google Chrome, and then in the address bar, just type edmodo.com. Then this is the interface or the environment of edmodo.com. So if you want to learn more about Edmodo, just click here, or you can just read all the information about Edmodo. So for this tutorial, we will focus on login and sign up only. So let's go to login, or sign up. So we will choose teacher account. So we have two options upon signing up in Edmodo. First, sign up with Google Chrome, as I had mentioned earlier. For teachers or sa DepEd teachers po, we will use or gagamitin po natin yung DepEd email natin. So just click sign up with Google, and then here Edmodo will ask your email address. So in my case, I just use another Gmail account since my DepEd email is already used in Edmodo. So this is the account that Abris 12@gmail.com. Then press next, and then your password. Click next, and then just click allow here. And then in this part, Edmodo will ask your first name and last name. So no need to specify since your name is already there. Just click next. There you go. This is the environment of your Edmodo account. So let me explain to you briefly the basic commands or basic information about your homepage. So as you have see here, you can see your name and then your view profile. So when you click view profile, this is how you are going to customize your profile. You can add your school, you can add your profile picture, and then so on. So let's go back to home. Then here, my classes. In this part here, in this section here, the classes that you have created and the classes you had joined will be listed in this part. So next would be my groups. So in this part here, you can create a group like group of science teachers, group of math teachers, and so on. And then at the middle, you can see here the post. Anything you can post here, and then when we click this one, parang Facebook lang din to, parang magpo-post ka lang sa wall mo, and then you could type anything here. And then sa baba, meron tayong options. Meron tayong any teachers on Edmodo, meaning to say if pinili natin yan, lahat ng mga may account sa Edmodo na teacher can view your post. And then dito naman sa connection, ang makakita lang ng post mo is yung mga nakalist lang sa connections mo. So later on, we will have a sample post and then ma-review siya ng mga students natin. Okay. Now dito din, meron ding, kasi wala pang class na na-create natin. So, dito mayroon tayong option na join school or join a class, or you could create your own class. Next natin gawin is gagawa tayo ng account ni student na magjo-join dito sa ginawa nating class.